So back in 2015, when I decided to start a business in photography, one of my best friends in high school sent me a suitcase. It's a Lowepro X200. He's one of the best wedding photographers I know in Taiwan, but he's no longer doing weddings, so he doesn't need this case anymore. But by the way, when he sent me this case, in the inside it's all kinds of instant noodles, which I couldn't get here in Madison. However, after 1 year of heavy use, one of the wheels is broken. So I searched online for replacement wheels and found a website by photographer Amy Karp. The link is below in the description. It turns out to be very simple. All you need is inline skate wheels and new bearings and the hex tools. Let's get started. So first, let's take out the old ones. Look at the wheel and put in the new bearings. Then we just put it back. See? Let's do another one. And put it back. So it turns out the two bolts are at different size. This one is slightly thicker than this one, so the new bearing I got doesn't work with the thicker one. But I can still use the old bearing and install that in my new wheel and get it work. Turns out I don't actually need the new bearings because the old ones works just as good. I'll put this back. So now I have a pair of new wheels ready to roll. Thanks for watching. See you next time.